friends, welcome to the Learning Desk. Get ready for our Independence Day special essay collection. So let's begin with Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the most important national festivals of India. It is celebrated every year on 15th of August to mark India's freedom from British rule in 1947. On this day, we remember the courage and sacrifices of our freedom fighters who worked hard for our independence. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and people proudly sing the national anthem. Schools and colleges also organize flag hoisting, speeches, patriotic songs and cultural programs. This special day teaches us to love our country, respect our national symbols, and become responsible citizens who help build a stronger and brighter India. Now let's learn about importance of freedom. Freedom is one of the greatest gifts in life. It allows us to think, speak, learn and live with dignity and respect. In a free country, people can choose their education, career and dreams without fear. Freedom also gives us the right to express our ideas and follow our tradition while respecting others. Our brave freedom fighters made great sacrifices so that we could enjoy these rights today. We should value our freedom by being honest, responsible and kind citizens. By respecting the law, helping others and working hard, we can make our country stronger and brighter for everyone. Essay on our national flag. Our national flag is a symbol of India's pride, unity and freedom. It is called the Tiranga because it has three beautiful colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White represents peace and truth. And green symbolizes growth and prosperity. In the center is the navy blue Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes, which remind us to keep moving forward with honesty and hard work. We proudly hoist the national flag on important occasions like Independence Day and Republic Day. Every Indian should respect the Tiranga and honor the values it represents with pride. Essay on my country, India. India is my beautiful country known for its rich culture, history and diversity. It is home to many languages, religions, tradition and festivals that bring people together. The Himalayas, rivers, forests and deserts make India naturally beautiful. Our national flag fills us with pride and our national anthem remind us of our unity. Great leaders and freedom fighters worked hard to make India independent. Today, India is growing in science, technology, education and sports. We should keep our country clean, respect all people and protect nature. I love my country and I'm proud to be an Indian. Essay on Independence Day celebration in my school. Every year, my school celebrates Independence Day with great joy and patriotism. The celebration begins with the hoisting of the national flag, followed by the national anthem. Students present patriotic songs, dances, speeches and short plays to honor our brave freedom fighters. Teachers explain the importance of freedom and encourage us to become responsible citizens. The school is beautifully decorated with tricolor flags, balloons, posters. Everyone wears neat uniforms and proudly participates in the celebration. Independence Day reminds us to love our country, respect our national symbols, and work together to make India stronger, brighter, and more united. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learning Desk.